Welcome to today's current affairs quiz. Question 1. India recently won which major cricket tournament in 2026? A. ODI World Cup. B. ICC Champions Trophy. C. ICC T20 World Cup. D. Asia Cup. Answer C. Question 2. Who was player of the tournament? A. Virat Kohli. B. Rohit Sharma. C. Sanju Samson. D. Jasprit Bumrah. Answer C. Question 3. Which strategy did India emphasize globally? A. Expand and invest. B. Hedge the risk, diversify. C. Export and import. D. Reform and privatize. Answer B. Question 4. Which conflict is affecting global markets? A. China-Taiwan. B. Iran-related. C. North Korea. D. Syria. Answer B. Question 5. What is a major economic risk for India? A. Increase in exports. B. Lower inflation. C. Higher oil prices. D. Decrease in imports. Answer C. Question 6. Which airline adjusted operations recently? A. Indigo. B. SpiceJet. C. Air India. D. Vistara. Answer C. Question 7. Which region was affected by airline changes? A. Europe. B. West Asia. C. Africa. D. Australia. Answer B. Question 8. What caused traffic advisory in Delhi? A. Republic Day Parade. B. Political rally. C. IPL match. D. Marathon. Answer C. Question 9. Which two teams played in the IPL match? A. CSK vs RCB. B. MI vs KKR. C. Delhi Capitals vs Mumbai Indians. D. RR vs PBKS. Answer C. Question 10. India experienced its first what in 2026? A. Flood. B. Cyclone. C. Heat wave. D. Cold wave. Answer C. Question 11. The new Income Tax Act is effective from A. January 2026. B. April 2026. C. July 2026. D. December 2026. Answer B. Question 12. Cities are described as what in the budget? A. Consumption hubs. B. Tourism centers. C. Engines of growth. D. Export zones. Answer C. Question 13. RBI restricted which contracts? A. Futures. B. Non-deliverable derivatives. C. Options. D. Swaps. Answer B. Question 14. India participates in which naval exercise? A. Malabar. B. Sea Dragon. C. Varuna. D. RIMPAC. Answer B. Question 15. Reason for rupee depreciation? A. Increased exports. B. Foreign inflows. C. High oil prices. D. Low inflation. Answer C. Question 16. Impact on India's current account? A. Surplus increase. B. No change. C. Deficit widening. D. Trade ban. Answer C. Question 17. Purpose of Panchang? A. Budget planning. B. Weather forecasting. C. Auspicious timings. D. Stock market prediction. Answer C. Question 18. Which nakshatra was observed? A. Rohini. B. Swati. C. Ashwini. D. Bharani. Answer B. Question 19. India achieved what in T20 World Cup history? A. 2 titles. B. Host twice. C. 3 titles. D. Unbeaten win. Answer C. Question B's. Best approach for global uncertainty? A. Isolation. B. Protectionism. C. Strategic diversification. D. Currency devaluation. Answer C. Thanks for watching.